Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a Copperhead 52 rolling out of the shop this morning. This one's going on man John in Connecticut. Now listen here, this ain't John's first rodeo, TMG, all right? He also has a TMG dumpster. That is our direct heat cooker. But John wanted something a little more. He wanted a true wood-fired offset smoker. So we got him hooked up here with the Copperhead 52. Got quite a few extras on it, so let's check it out. Start off in the smoke chamber. Now, the first thing you will see, this heavy ass charcoal pan. This is not for this smoker, this is for his dumpster. All right, so we fabricated this up for him. Charcoal pan for his dumpster. Slides in that top grate so you can get charcoal real close to your very top grate. So I think that'll be a cool add-on for our dumpster in the future. He also got our charcoal pan set up for his smoker. So you take your reverse flow plates out because they are removable. All right, that's why we do that. Set your charcoal pans down in there. You can use your smoke chamber as a charcoal grill. So that works out great. Like I mentioned, reverse flow smoker. So the reverse flow plates direct the heat all the way across the bottom, then back out of the stack. Those are down here. We got TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers all the way around. Of course, stainless steel front shelf, right? That is an upgrade, looks slick. Off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mod down in Texas. Bronze ones always look slick on the old Copperhead. Got him hooked up with our little pull handle here. Got a pinwheel hitch on your golf cart, set it down on there, take off with it. Hey, not street legal, all right? Just for towing around the farm. D-ring tie downs in all four corners, makes it easy to strap down on a trailer. Open up the hot box here, y'all know the deal. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of all-American cook space, all right? Now, the way this deal works, I've got a plate in here with daisy wheels in it. Y'all can't see it, I promise you it's in there. You crack the daisy wheels open, using a smoker, your 250 over here, boom, 325 over here. Take that plate out, get direct fire in there, grill in here, do your wood-fired pizza, or shut it all down, use it as a warmer. All right, simple as that. Works great, probably our most popular option at TMG. Speaking of fire, we've got our insulated firebox here, guys. On the backyard smoker, you get a 3/8 thick front door, rest of the firebox fully insulated. He's still got his fire management cradle in there, as you can see. You can't see that, there's probably something wrong with it. We got the Leading Barbecue stainless steel logo on there, guys. I do believe it. On the back, we've got a fold down shelf on a Copperhead. Goes like that, boom, folds down, ready to rock and roll. Fold and stack as well. This thing is tall. You want to get it in and out of your garage, in and out of your enclosed trailer. Fold down stack, guys. If not, you're gonna have a bad time. Hey, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.